All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to make a short little video. As many of you know, or if you don't know, I drive a Ford F-150 XLT 5-liter V8 engine in this thing with the XDR package. Absolutely love this truck. This truck has been nothing but good. It owes us zero. Absolutely love this truck. I think that I've thought about selling it. I've thought about trading it in. I have access to other vehicles, but I prefer to drive this. I love this little truck. It has, again, just been awesome. But there are a couple of gripes. This truck is the military aluminum body. I think military grade or aviation grade. I think it is aviation grade. Don't quote me on that. It's not a bunch of research I've done, but it's military or aviation grade aluminum that they market it as, and you certainly get the benefits of better fuel economy and all that sort of thing. One of the first negatives, obviously, with a lighter truck is the wind, so you get the body roll, and then in the truck box, you kind of get the truck box starts kind of waving. Like the actual aluminum starts kind of doing a wave after a certain amount of loads and unloads. I did put chipboard down. I put chipboard down because Line-X is too sticky for my applications anyways. Too sticky, so you're sliding cargo in and out of the box. It's a nightmare. Plastic, the ribs catch on everything. Like I haul a lot of drums and things like that, I'll just say. So the drums get caught on the ribs, so I can't do plastic. And the wooden truck liners are just too expensive. Like I'm not gonna pay what they want for these wood liners when I can throw down the chipboard. So anyways, that's the first thing. The first thing is the truck box floor, the bed of the truck started kind of waving, and that's goofy. Second thing is bonkers to me. This blows my mind. I want to show you guys this. I got home from work the other day and I saw a little bit of the aluminum kind of shining. Like obviously my truck's filthy. It's terribly, it's essentially spring, right? So you get a lot of snow melting. But I saw, as you can see right here, I saw a little bit of the aluminum poking out. What the heck is that? So after further inspection, I guess you could say, I go in to look and move the mud flap and see the mud flap is starting to rub on the fender, and it has scratched all the paint off here. Now that got me thinking, what the heck? So I went around the truck, sorry, just in the garage here, went around the truck to check kind of all this is the back driver's side, kind of a little scratch on the top, not a big deal. I checked all four mud flaps. This is driver's side front fender. Take a look at this. This mud flap, OEM from Ford, actually, I'll retract that because I don't know, but definitely from the dealership, installed at the dealership or by Ford, I'm not sure, either or, rubbed a hole. Take a look at my thumb. My thumb can go into this hole. So the mud flap rubbed a hole over the course of 160,000 kilometers, not sure what that is in miles, 160,000 kilometers over 5 years, because this truck's 2016, so say 5-ish years and 160 kilometers of this mud flap kind of sitting here. Highway miles too, like this is pretty much a highway princess, not a little bit of off-roading, but primarily highway. Anyway, sitting there rubbing, and it rubbed a hole right through the fender. So I stand up here. I want to get everybody involved. I want to hear some comments. I'll post this on Instagram too. I want to hear if this has been a problem for anybody else and all that sort of thing. Talk to your family, friends, all that sort of stuff. You know, let's let's communicate. Yeah, sorry y'all, had to take a phone call there. But anyways, I want to know, I want to get interactive on this. I want to hear from you guys. I want you to talk to anybody you know that has an F-150 aluminum body, maybe even an F2 350, they're aluminum bodies too, and kind of put the word out there. Let's see if this is a common thing or if this is a one-off or whatever. Like I said, not much of a gripe. I can put fender flares on, I can replace the fenders themselves, we can do whatever. Like there's different options to fix this, but I want to know if this is a common problem out there. So let's make this channel interactive. Let's make this channel fun. I'm certainly not a stuffy dude, so let's go ahead and communicate a little bit. Anyways, thanks for the subscribes. Thanks for watching. Let's grow this channel. Peace and love.